Hello students, in this video we are going to study about the modern system of formwork, that is Doka shuttering. So we will see first the Doka system components. The various basic components that form the Doka system are as follows: Doka formwork beams, Doka formwork sheets, Doka door panels, Doka floor props, form ties and suspension cones, and the multi-trip packaging. Now we will have a look at the Doka formwork beams. So the core of the system lies in the usage of an engineering timbered component called as the H-beam, which is manufactured in the modern automated plant at Pondicherry, which is under a strict quality control. The flanges of the beam are made of seasoned chemically treated timber, while the web is made of a boiling waterproof plywood and joined with the flange by the unique finger jointing method. The H-beams are light, dimensionally stable, and retains its structural properties over a period of time even after the repeated usage. It is more predictable, easy to design and use. The number of reuses of the H-beams is more than 100 times, that is the 8 times that of the conventional timber, and consumes only 40% of the timber volume that is required. The H-beams are available in two sizes, that is H16, which is 16 centimeters of depth, and H20, 20 centimeters of the depth, where the length varies from 1 meter to 6 meters. The Doka has an extensive range of formwork sheets. So now we will have a look at the formwork sheets, where it is used for the most varied areas of the application. All the sheets are made of glue bonded, layered wood and are extremely strong, which are dimensionally stable. Now there are types: the formwork sheet 3S plus and the formwork sheet 3SO, which has the properties of the synthetic melamine resin glue, where the surface is made and it produces a uniform concrete surface, and it is made up of a 3-ply concrete formwork sheet and made up of European spruce, which is designed especially for a building. And the bonding here is of boil proof and weatherproof. The edges has a impregnating emulsion, and the Doka is of yellow color, which is having a thickness of 21 and 27 mm. Another type of sheet, that is the Dokaplex multiply sheet. These are the high grade multiply sheet made up of finished birch hardwood for using again and again, and produces a high quality smooth concrete surface. The surface coating is of phenol resin. The bonding is boil proof and weatherproof, and phenol resin glue of the surface is being produced. The thickness is 21 mm. Now the third component is Doka door panels. The Doka door panels are the state of the art for the floor slab panels. All round edge and the surface ceiling are dependably protecting the panel against the wear and tear of the everyday construction work. The fourth component, Doka floor props. These are the right choice for every application. The high load bearing strength plus many practical details that help to make handling easier of the Doka floor props. These are available in various sizes, that is CT250, CT300, CT340, CT410. This number indicates the extended length of the props in centimeters. The tripods make the props self-standing for easier and faster erection of the shuttering system. The adjustments in the height are obtained by operating the prop nut. The required dimension in the plan is obtained by side lapping of the H-beams in the primary or secondary layer. These are very accurate and convenient shutter where it is ready for tying of the reinforcement and concreting. The system also facilitates re-propping. By adopting the method of repropping, it is possible to reduce the total quantity of formwork material significantly. The system is very well adapted for the use along with the L&T company Doka beam forming supporting system. The fifth component, form ties and suspension cones. Doka has a complete range of a tried and tested form tie solutions and dependable suspension points for the formwork. Single-sided formwork, climbing formwork, which has an uncompromising quality for the maximum safety. Now there are some accessories that are Doka tie rods and the anchor accessories, which provide safety through superb manufacturing quality and reduces the labor cost for installation of ties because the hammer is needed for only the easy installation. These are durable, robust and unaffected by dirt. Now the climbing cones. These ensure the firm connections between structure and formwork and for the safety on the high structures and is used for all kinds of the climbing formwork. The safe suspensions and the protection platforms are giving easy installation and can be used again and again, that is reusable and with different attachments that suits the application. It is ideally matched for the carrying capacity of the Doka platform. Now the sixth component, multi-trip packaging. The multi-trip packaging such as containers, stacking, pallets and skeleton transport boxes keep everything in place on the site. It minimizes the time wasted searching for the parts and streamline of the storage, transport of the system components, small items and accessories. The savings on the material overheads and the labor costed is being done by faster loading and unloading of the system components. Also by easy relocation to the next point where the parts are being needed and supplied. And by the safe storage in stacks, particularly when the space is at premium need. The stacking pallets 150 and 120 simplify the storage and transport of the floor props by removing the folding tripods, formwork beams and the Dokadur panels. The clamp-on wheels make the stacking pallets mobile so that they can be easily steered through standard door size openings in the residential accommodation projects. Now we will have a look at the Doka floor system. So no matter what the room height is, the shape of the layout or the slab thickness with the Doka you always have will be exactly as coordinated formwork in one single consistent system. And it comprises a conveniently small number of easy to manage system components. Now there are types of the Doka floor system. The first type is the Doka Flex 124, which is fast and gives a versatile floor formwork for the floor pans of any shape for beams, slab overhangs and semi-finished floor elements. And the ready reckoner is ideal for calculating the quantities of material, so there is no need for the formwork planning. It is suitable for the RC floors up to 4.4 meter of height. The plywood sheathing is supported by the layer of secondary H-beams at the design spacing. This primary layer are supported with the necessary accessories over the collapsible telescopic props fitted with the tripods to ensure lateral stability. Now the properties of Doka floor system. It has a defined positioning grid with the full flexibility in the floor plan geometry. It has a speedy progress and has very simple logistics. Because the ready reckoner makes it is easy to calculate the quantities needed and the maximum pitches for the longitudinal and the transfer beams and the props are marked on the beams. That is for the floor slab thickness is up to 30 centimeter. Next property is the safety and economy. As we have known that it is durable and robust, the panels can be rented. Okay, so the reduced investment cost is being done. Now Dokamatic table. The innovative design of the Dokamatic table makes it even faster formwork handling whenever the large floor slabs have to be casted. The standard functional components can be installed for the straightforward speedy adaptation to changing requirements. Now these are the table sizes. There are four sizes available, that is 4 meter into 2 meters, 4 meters into 2.5 meters, 5 meters into 2 meters and 5 meters into 2.5 meters. Now what is a stacksaw? Load bearing tower stacksaw, which is used for the floor table. It is a high strength load bearing tower made of robust steel frames for high shoring and heavy loads. It is having integrated connectors for the rapid assembly. And this comprises only a few individual parts and it is extremely versatile. The properties are that it is highly stable and highly versatile. The speedy assembly is done even if the high towers are being constructed and the less crane time is needed. Stacksaw frame. It is extremely strong galvanized steel frame for the straightforward height adjustment in a 30 centimeter of the grid. So there are choices of three types of heights, that is 0.9 meter, 1.2 meters and 1.8 meters. The frame spacing has a diagonal cross of 1 meter to 2.5 meter, which is adjustable in a 50 centimeter grid. It is reliably withstanding the horizontal force such as the wind loads. What is a diagonal cross? It is a time-saving integration of the horizontal and diagonal braces in a single component, where the different lengths of the variable frame spacing is being done. The color clips and the stamping is done for the clear marking of the lengths. Height adjustment. Height adjustment is accurate to the millimeter even under the load. By means of a screw jack, U spindled at the top and the screw jack foot or the heavy duty screw jack at the bottom. The heavy duty screw jack 130 has an extension height of 130 centimeter and is available for jobs requiring maximum versatility. Beam forming support system. This support system is suitable for the depths between 30 centimeter to 120 centimeter. Now we will have a look at the beam bottom where it is being supported. The plywood sheathing is supported by a layer of secondary H20 beams and the design spacing to form the beam bottom. This H-beams in turn supports the second layer. The beam sides. The plywood sheathing is supported by H-beams and is designed along the length of the RC beam to form the beam sides. And then it is supported by the beam forming support which are clamped to the H20 beams provided for the beam bottom. And it ensures the right angle between the beam bottom and the sides. This beam forming system extension provides the necessary adjustment in the depth. Now there are three sizes available, that is 600 mm long, 900 mm long and 1200 mm long. Now the third, wall formwork system. Now this type of formwork system is suitable for casting of reinforced concrete walls including watertight structures. Here again the plywood sheathing is supported by the H-beams which are in turn supported by the steel veilers. This facilitates the fixing of working platforms for access, checking of reinforcement, concrete, etc. The panels also have the provision for fixing for the alignment system which ensures verticality, which is the pressure that is applied due to concrete and they are sustained by the high strength tie system. The veilers are available in sizes of 0.8 meter, 1.2 meter, 1.6 meters, 1.8 meters, 2 meters and 2.4 meters. The inside corners are formed by universal inside corner and the outside by the universal outside fixing or the angle plates. The high strength tie system can be done through tie system or lost anchor system. The H-beams can be butt jointed to form the larger size of panels. The formwork panel, along with the working platform and the alignment systems, can be lifted as a single unit using a crane. Thus, the labor involved in each operation is being reduced to a minimum. The panels are formed in the carpentry workshop at the side. So, the operations and the assembly of the components at each location is minimal and the accuracy is maintained. Since the large panels are handled as a single unit, the damage of the small components is eliminated, which contributes to a very high material productivity. In the absence of crane, the panels can be easily dismantled and handled separately. It can handle high pressures generated due to the pumping of the concrete. The sheeting is freely selectable, that is, we can choose it, that is of smooth fair faced concrete, wood texture surface, and so on. Column formwork system. This system is suitable for casting of the columns of minimum 15 cm into 15 cm of size, where the H beams along with the steel veilers and the accessories make up the assembly. It facilitates the fixing of working platforms for access, checking of reinforcement, and concretes. So here we can see that the formwork will always facilitate the three things, that is the fixing of the platforms for the accessible purpose, checking of the reinforcement purpose, and for the concreting. Now the formwork panel along with the working platform and the alignment system can be lifted as a single unit using a crane. So the use of labor is also minimized. As it is formed in the carpentry workshop, the accuracy is maintained and the assembly components and the operations is being minimized. Again, as the large panels are handled as a single unit, the material productivity is very much more. And again, the panels can be handled and separated and dismantled. It also can handle very large pressure. Now the climbing formwork system. This type of formwork system is used for the large structures, that is tall structures like cooling towers, etc., where it is very uneconomical to provide staging or scaffolding for supporting the external or internal wall formwork. In this system, a bracket is hooked onto a anchors called as lost anchors provided in the already casted wall, and its supports are taken from the brackets. These brackets are suitably braced to prevent any sway and are provided with the walkways, that is the working platforms or handrails, for the safety purpose and the ease of walking. Now there are different types of climbing formwork systems, that is CB150A, which is used for simple climbing. It is crane handled with a platform width of 1.5 meters. The brackets and the wall formworks are to be handled separately in this type of formwork system. The CB150F, it is a traveling climbing. It is also crane handled with platform width of 1.5 meter. It has a rollback arrangement for de-shuttering and cleaning of the shutters. The wall formwork and the climbing bracket is lifted as the one unit. Advantages of the Doka shuttering. Speed. It can achieve floor to floor cycle time with a minimum days as 4 to 5 days. The cost is very much high as the number of repetitions are very much high in this, and the cost achieved after 100 repetition is as low as rupees 100 per square meter. It is very much durable. It has a high labor productivity. It has a high quality which gives an excellent concrete surface finish which enables elimination of plastering. It has a high salvage value. Now the disadvantages of the Doka shuttering. Very much high investment is required in this type of formwork or technology. It is not cost effective. Compatible only for the residential apartments with repetitive layouts and the restricted loads. In this, the RCC slab has to be designed for stripping after 36 hours with the props left under, and the chances for the pilferage is due to the high cost. So these were the advantages and the disadvantages of Doka shuttering. Thank you.